In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more data to your Power BI reports. Whether you're combining files, pulling in a new spreadsheet, or connecting to a database, the process is straightforward and designed to keep you moving quickly. Start on the Home tab in Power BI. This is where most common actions live, and the one you'll use is Get Data. Click Get Data to open the connector window. You'll see a list of popular sources and, more importantly, a search box. Type the name of the source you're looking for to narrow things down fast. Power BI supports a wide range of options, from local files like Excel, CSV, and PDF, to cloud services and enterprise databases. Once you find your source, select it. If you're bringing in a file, Power BI will prompt you to browse your computer. Navigate to the folder where your file lives, select it, and confirm. A quick tip here: keep your files in a consistent location, and if it's an Excel workbook, make sure it's saved and closed before connecting. That helps Power BI read the data cleanly and reduces the chance of access issues. If your source is a database or an online service, Power BI will ask for connection details and credentials. You might see fields for server and database names, or a sign-in window for the service you're using. Enter only the information you trust and have permission to use. If you're unsure about what to enter, check with your data owner or administrator. Power BI will guide you through the authentication, and once it's accepted, it will proceed to access the data. And there you go. After you've selected your source and provided any required credentials, Power BI connects and makes that data available in your report. You'll see the tables and fields appear, ready to use in your visuals. If you're adding data to an existing report, this means you can immediately build new charts or update existing ones to include the additional fields. Keep an eye on field names and data types so your visuals behave as expected, especially if you're combining information from different places. That's all. Adding more data is really just about choosing Get Data, finding your source, selecting your file, or entering the correct connection details, and letting Power BI do the heavy lifting. With these essentials, you can enrich your reports confidently and keep your insights up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.